Faster! Come on, just close already! We're not gonna make it, we're not gonna make it.
Hey everyone, I'll get you to the yacht faster. Quick, hop on! Whoa, we get to ride a helicopter? We're here!
The yacht's already leaving. What do? We're too late.
Oh no, our yacht! No way! Ah! Come with me, let's catch up to the yacht.
Actually, that could work. You think we'll all fit?
Of course, hop on. Hold on tight.
Careful! We're gonna fall.
Ow!
What do we do now?
This is a disaster. But I got another idea. Lalalu, let's make a banana float.
Great idea, let's do it. A soda bottle will work perfectly. We just need to empty it out first.
No problem there. We can keep going. Now we need to paint it.
Awesome, repaint the bottle yellow. Just what we need.
This needs painting too.
Okay, there. Cover the back of the bottle with a half sphere.
We also need some foil.
Right, we'll shape a horse head from it. The base is ready. Cover it with brown clay. Add ears. Shape the face. And there's our little horse. Attach it to the front and cover the seam with sparkly craft foam.
Look what I brought.
Oh, this'll come in handy. Take brown faux leather and cut out an oval. Glue it on top like a saddle. Add stirrups and attach legs to the horse. Cut out a tail from thick black craft foam and glue it onto the back. Looks so cool.
Just need to make the reins now. What color should we use? This one. Our horse-shaped banana float is ready. Let's go show the others. Ta-da! And here's our new ride.
Wow, that slaps.
Everybody on? Let's go.
Yay, we're on the yacht. Finally, some rest. Time to change. Oh, what's this? Where are our swimsuits? Maybe you have them, Woody. Oh, not here either. Oh, what are we gonna do?
Well, at least my toys are right here.
Oh no, we don't have swimsuits. It's all ruined.
Stay calm. Light bulb moment. Let's go craft. You're gonna have the trendiest swimsuit ever. Hang on. I've got just the fabric.
Trace the pattern and cut out 2 matching pieces. Draw a cow print and sew them together. The swimsuit's ready. Let's add some shoulder straps.
And my favorite, rhinestones. Much better now. Let's make a skirt from this fabric.
Cut a wide strip, sew along the edge and gather it. Add peplums on both sides. This looks amazing.
Thank you. Next. Well, what should I make for you? There should be something good in this bag. Oh, found it.
White pants, perfect. Cut them into shorts and draw a cow print so they match Jessie's swimsuit.
And a Hawaiian shirt.
Woody, try it on. Coming right up, so I'm ready to relax.
No, Woody, those boots just won't do. Try these shoes instead. Wow, now you're a total heartthrob.
Thanks, I'm off.
Next. I'm here. We need to make something special for you. Oh, a balloon. Lalalu, bring the scissors.
Cut off the neck, fold the balloon in half, and make slits.
What a cool swimsuit.
Let's add a checkered pattern.
This looks amazing. We'll tie a scarf over it like a sarong. I'm off. And me, what am I gonna wear? Here's your outfit. Wow, I look just like Woody. Thanks. I actually have a swimsuit.
Finally, time to relax. Real rest at last.
I'm here. I'm bored. Let's play. Mom.
What is it now?
I wanna play.
Hey, give that back. That's my hat.
Ooh, snap. I want some too. Gimme.
Oh, looks like he found some company. I'll go lie down. Finally, time to relax. Sure. Oh my gosh, already? Come on, we're here. Well, this place isn't bad at all. Just really hot, though.
So what are we gonna do? Yeah, this is so boring. Let's go play.
All right. How about this?
Yay! Let's build sandcastles. Let's go. I wanna come too. Wait for me.
Let's just lie down. I'm tired. Phew, finally, some time to relax.
What are you building? I'll help. I'm in. Look, it's Lolly.
Yay!
Whoa. Yo, awesome. Woohoo! Come on, everyone, join me. Cool, I want it too. Did somebody say craft? Did someone say craft?
No, I didn't say that.
Yay, craft time. Lolly, let's go.
Let's go, Lolly.
All right, we need 2 surfboards. Let's go look for materials. Oh, these boards will work.
And here's our pattern. Trace it and cut out the pieces. Smooth the edges. And now let's paint.
I'll help you. We'll make this board pink.
We'll paint the other one blue. Here, take the markers. Let's add some details. Wow, what cute little horses we got. Let's add some stars too.
Let's glue a horseshoe on the back. Cool, right?
The base is done, but we're not finished.
Right, we need fins.
We'll make them from board scraps. There. Repaint them and attach them to the surfboards.
Wow, these turned out so amazing. Cowboy-style surfboards, incredible. I can't wait to show everyone. Oh, here comes Lolly. Look what Lalulu and I made for you. Whoa, mine's pink. And mine's blue. We're a team. Let's go ride some waves. Yeah, let's go. Set your boards on the water. Wow, look at those waves. I'm balancing. Watch closely. I'll show you how to stand on the board. Here we go. Now you try. Let's try it. Yay, I did it. Yeah. Whoa, I'm standing. Thanks for teaching us to surf, Lolly. Anytime.
Yay!
Look at the castle I built. Oh, where'd everyone go? Hey, where are you? Everyone's in the ocean.
Oh.
No.
What happened? Froggy, what's wrong?
I want to swim too, but I'm scared.
Ah, well, let's go together then. Just feel how nice the water is.
No, I don't want to. I'm scared. Get out.
Oh, wait, don't stress, little buddy. I'm coming out now. Let me think of something for you.
What's the problem?
Well, this little guy wants to swim, but he's scared.
No problem. I've got an idea. Lalulu, we need to make a pool for Froggy.
I've got a cookie box here.
That'll work perfectly. Let's open it. Oh, let's make the pool shaped like a funny monster. Inside, we'll line it with a water print sheet. And we'll shape ears out of air-dry clay.
Shape pointy ears and glue them onto the sides of the pool.
Add an antenna on top.
Glue on 3 eyes.
I brought a plastic plate.
Perfect. Cut out the middle and repaint it purple. Glue a dome on top.
Let's decorate it with rhinestones too. That turned out gorgeous. Now let's make a ladder.
Take painted popsicle sticks and turn them into a ladder. Heat up some glue sticks and get a cool slide. Coat it with neon powder and set it up going from the ladder right into the pool. On top, attach the flying saucer we made earlier.
Wow, what a pool!
Yeah, it turned out so awesome. Froggy's gonna love it.
So, ready for a swim? Whoa, I want to go on the slide. Then let's go.
Thanks, Lolly, you're amazing.
Check out how lovely this is. There. Here we go. Ooh, this is so fun. I want more. One more time. Woo! This is just slaying.
Woody, could you put some sunscreen on me, please? Of course, here you go. Thanks. Want me to do you too? No. Oh!
What's going on here?
What happened, Woody? I think I stayed out in the sun too long.
Ah, I see. Big brain moment. Lalulu, we need a beach umbrella.
Let's make one. Take a sheet of paper. Fold it several times. And end up with a triangle. Cut along the curve and unfold it. We get this shape. Cut out one section. Trace it onto 2 kinds of craft foam and make several pieces. Join them at an angle, alternating the textures. And get the umbrella dome.
Let's add some eyes and a smile. Look, I'm a little frog.
You're so funny, Lolly.
Just need to attach the pole now. We can make it from chenille wire.
Wrap the wire around a wooden stick and glue the dome on top. Set it in a stand. Decorate the base. And voila! That turned out stunning.
All done. I'm off to save Woody. Woody, I'm here. You'll feel better under this umbrella.
But what about me?
I've got you some amazing aloe vera cream. It's great for sunburns.
Phew, I I already feel so much better. Thanks, Lolly. What a great vacation.
Mom, Dad, we had so much fun. And here are your parents, little buddy. Take your Froggy back.
Oh, whoops, you must be hungry, little guy.
Oh, I've got an idea. Laloo! Make some pretty ice cream for Froggy.
1 ice cream for the little guy? Got it.
We want some too.
Okay, 3 ice creams.
Yeah, yay!
Who said ice cream? I want some too. Then we'll make 4. Jessie, would you like some ice cream? Yeah, yes, of course. 5 ice creams? Got it.
Me too, me too.
Then 6. Okay. Take 4 different colored pieces of craft foam.
Let's start with the blue one. Draw it on with a pink mic. Draw on it with a white marker.
Here's another one.
And here we'll draw a checkered pattern.
Add a few more details, and we're done. Now the white one.
I know what to draw, a cow print.
Now the green one. Let's make a frog. Now the purple one.
Let's add a bit of sparkle.
That's totally out of this world. Here's the pink piece.
I want lots and lots of glitter. Yeah, that's my style.
Now cut them out and roll them into cones. Our cups are ready. Now let's make the ice cream itself. We'll use air dry clay for that. Mix different colors, shape balls, and put them in the cups. Add a few decorations, and we're done. Wow, what colorful ice cream we made. It looks so delicious.
Chef's kiss, let's go. We made ice cream like you've never had before. Laloo, bring it in. There are all sorts of flavors here. Take whichever one you like. Whoa, I want the alien one. So tasty.
There's even a frog one. Wow. We'll try these. They're totally in our style. Lolly, this one's for you.
Oh, thank you. That's my favorite flavor. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss new videos. Bye-bye.